A tree with fascinating ecological significance. What a fantastic tree it is. Introducing Tindalo, Apsilia rhomboidea of the family Fabaceae. Tindalo is found in Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. It is a premium species in the Philippines, and it is threatened by habitat loss because it is considered endangered. Tindalo is a large semi-deciduous tree with an eric and cylindrical bole and belongs to the legume family. When ripe, it produces a dehiscent pod revealing black seeds but coated with bright orange aril. The wood of Tindalo is highly valued for its durability and is commonly used to make houses, furniture, handicrafts, musical instruments, and boats. It is also used for interior finishing work. However, supplies of Tindalo wood are now minimal as the population of this species in the wild is decreasing. Tindalo plays a vital role in its ecosystem. As a member of the legume family, it contributes to soil health by fixing nitrogen, enriching the soil, and benefiting surrounding flora. The tree also provides habitat and sustenance for numerous species of insects, birds, and mammals. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.